trailer rental service in Ocean Isle Beach, North Carolina. Hauling shouldn't be a hassle. At Lazy Iguana Dump Trailer Service, we're here to simplify your cleanup needs. Whether clearing out clutter, tackling a renovation project, or managing landscaping debris, our trailer rental service in Ocean Isle Beach, North Carolina, provides the flexibility and convenience you need to get the job done. With Lazy Iguana Dump Trailer Service, there's no rush or stress. You load the trailer at your own pace, and when you're ready, we handle the hauling for you. Our service is designed to save you time, effort, and energy. No more trips to the dump or worrying about logistics. We do the heavy lifting so you can focus on what matters most. Lazy Iguana Dump Trailer Service is proud to be a trusted partner for homeowners, contractors, and business owners. From small home cleanups to large-scale projects, we've got you covered. Our trailer rental service is perfect for projects of all types. Our commitment to friendly, reliable service ensures a smooth experience from start to finish. At Lazy Iguana Dump Trailer Service, we're more than just a rental company, we're your neighbors, here to make cleanup convenient and stress-free. Call us at 980-499-0135 to reserve your trailer. Let us help you make hauling hassle-free.